Hello, in this video we are going to talk about how to get Google Authenticator set up as your two-step verification for your West Carrollton email account. First thing that we need to do on your phone is to get to the Google Authenticator app. You can go, if you're an iPhone user, you can head to the App Store. If you're an Android phone user, you can head to Google Play. What I like to do is search for Google Authenticator. When you search for Google Authenticator, you will see several apps appear. The one that you want to get is the Google Authenticator app, which has an icon that looks like a colorful asterisk. When you locate the Google Authenticator in the Play Store, go ahead and hit Get or Install to download it, and it will download to your phone. At this point, we're going to go ahead and launch Google Authenticator, and you'll have a screen that says Get Started, typically. And it might ask you to log into your account. If you have your account already signed in to your iPhone, you can certainly sign in, or your Android phone, it doesn't matter which phone. If you sign into your account, then your two-factor codes will be backed up to the cloud. So if you do switch phones or lose your phone and get a new phone, you'll be able to retrieve your codes without having to reset them up. You do not have to sign in with your account. It is easier if you do so. If you don't want to do so, you can tap the Use Authenticator without an account option at the bottom, and then we are at a screen where it says, look like there aren't any codes set up here yet, so we're going to add a code in just a moment. At this point, we're going to go to your computer. And in your email on the computer, we're going to go ahead and click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. We're going to click on Manage Your Account. We're going to click on Security. And then we're going to go down to How You Sign Into Google, and we're going to look for the two-step verification is off line here, and we're going to click on that. At this point, we may be asked for our password. If you have if you've been using this computer for a little bit, it just wants to make sure it's really you doing this and not somebody else. Under the second steps, we're going to go ahead and tap the Add Authenticator app option here, and we're going to click on Set Up Authenticator, and now we're presented with a QR code on our screen. Back in the iPhone or Android phone, you should still be in the Google Authenticator app, and you want to tap inside the app the button that says Add a Code. You can also tap on the plus sign down here in the corner and do Scan a QR code, or you can tap on the Add a Code button that is in the middle of the screen. You want to make sure you are inside the Google Authenticator app, not the phone app or camera app on your phone. You want to be inside the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus sign, tap Scan a QR code, and then go ahead and give access to the camera, and then scan the code that's on your screen. If all has gone well, you should now see under Google Authenticator a 6-digit code, and it should say Google, and your email address. If you have that going, you can go ahead now and tap Next on your computer, and then we're going to enter the 6-digit code that you see on your screen and hit Verify. And now we have added the Authenticator app, so we're in good shape at this stage of the game, but we want to go ahead and actually turn it on. We're going to tap here on this button that says Turn On Two-Step Verification. Now, quite annoyingly, even though we just tapped a button that says Turn It On, Google has not yet turned it on. What we need to do now is click on this button again, Turn On Two-Step Verification. And at this point, you should see a screen that says you're now protected with two-step verification, and you are good to go.